Meaning of ha.
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 Ha. Ha is an informal expression used to convey amusement, surprise, or mild disbelief. It's often typed out in response to something humorous or absurd, and is commonly seen in online messaging or social media. The utterance is a variant of ha, which is considered the sound of laughter. The added h at the end elongates the sound, making it appear more intense. Ha can be interpreted as a more subtle form of laughter, compared to haha or lol, which are more overt expressions of amusement. Overall, ha is a simple way of indicating amusement or surprise in informal conversations.